Don't lift his head out of the water. Let him lay flat. Wind him a little bit more, and then walk backwards so that I can get the net on him. Wind him a little more. Don't lift his head down. A little more. Okay, now start walking back.
Just something want to see it, huh? Geez, he's a nice one, isn't he?
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
Wow, he's got a big old fin on him. Wow.
Nice, man.
I'm sorry. He's got to go back.
You just caught, throw him back?
He's wild. He's got a adipose fin right there.
Uh-huh.
That means he can't keep him.
Okay.
Nice fish.
Oh, yeah. Dandy, all right. Big picture.
Turn around here, bud. You got it?
Got it.
There you go.